Hi guys, hello and welcome back to stream again. So how are you doing? In this video we are going to see about Infinix Hot 9 mobile, which is going to be launched in India this May 29. Fine. So this mobile phone you will get only in Flipkart through online booking. So before entering into some other details of this Infinix Hot 9 series, let me see something about Infinix Mobiles. So Infinix Mobiles is an Hong Kong based company and their headquarters is in Hong Kong, but they are also started their manufacturing, a small manufacturing in India also. Fine. So how much it will cost? This Hot 9 series will cost you around 9,000 INRs, because the same model has been introduced in Indonesia with that price tag. If we convert it into Indian rupees, it will be approximate to 9,000 INRs. Fine. So the launch date, as per the Flipkart's advertisement, it will be going to be perfectly on 12 p.m. of May 29. By May 29, 2020, you can book this Hot 9 series in Flipkart platform only. You won't get this Infinix Hot 9 series in any other stores. Only you will get through online platform of Flipkart. Fine. There will be two mobile phones that is going to be sold. One is Hot 9 series and the second one is Hot 9 Pro. So in this video we are going to see about Hot 9 series specifications. Hot 9 Pro, it will be one that advanced. We didn't get any details about it, so we are discussing about Hot 9 series. Fine. So the most special feature of this mobile is the camera. Its rear camera is having a 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus a 2 megapixel depth sensor, like a quad cam. It has a unique signature, like this arrangement. Fine. It's more unique than any other mobile phones. Fine. So I think it will be a signature for this mobile phone. And the front camera, it has a 8 megapixel front camera, not more than that, and it also has a fingerprint sensor in its back. Fine. So this is the camera specifications of Hot 9 Pro. And if you take display, it has a decent display of 6.6 inch, which is more than enough, and it has a resolution of 720 cross 100,600 pixels, and with a depth of 226 pixel per inch density. Fine. So it is a fully HD mobile, so it won't not stop you from seeing HD videos. So it's not going to be a problem. So for 9,000 rupees, it is a worth thing. And memory. So memory, RAM is 4 GB and internal memory is 64 GB that you can expand up to 512 GBs. Fine. Battery pack, it is fully packed with 5000 milliampere. So I think it will be more than enough for your entire net usages for the whole day. But we will conclude it once the mobile phone has been released after the full usage. And if you take the weight, it is more than somewhat lightweight, and 185 grams, it's more than enough. And processor, it is not comes with Snapdragon, it's going to come with MediaTek Helio 825. So that I think it's going to be a drawback. Fine. So regarding Android software things, it has 2G, 3G, 4G as well as LTE, but it's not Volt. That's a problem for those who are using GeoSIM. I think it's going to cause you some trouble. Regarding SIM, it's a dual SIM hybrid. You can use two SIMs, or else you can use one SIM with another SIM with SD card. Okay, fine. So it's a hybrid one. For Bluetooth, it is coming with a 5.0. So there will be no problem with Bluetooth connectivity, or else with a Bluetooth headset or so much things. Fine. Regarding Android, it's a fully new update with Android 10. So by 2019, Android 10 has been released, but now this phone is going to equip with Android 10. See, Android 10 has so many good features. Regarding its features, I will tell you some of the important features of Android 10. First thing is the sound amplifier. With sound amplifier, you can do noise cancellation when you are recording your videos. Your surrounding sounds, you can cut it, or else when you are playing some videos, you can also minimize the surrounding sounds. Fine. Then family link. Family link is very much useful if you are buying your phone for your young ones, that is children's, fine. So if you want to present your children with mobile phones, you can use this family link to set a timer so that the app can be used from this time to this time, for example 6 a.m. to 8 p.m., like that you can set the time preferences. So it's a very good feature, and an additional 65 emoji is also had been added in Android 10 for a normal messagings, fine. And most important thing is the direct audio streaming for hearing aid devices. See, presently, for those who have hearing aid problems, they need to use some hearing aid machines, and for calling to other persons, for speaking with other persons, they need to put the phone in loudspeakers so that they can hear through the devices. But now the devices had been upgraded, the hearing aid devices had been upgraded so that you can directly link with the phone and you can attend the calls without putting it in the loudspeakers. So for that you need to install a separate app, but Android 10 is defaultly having that inbuilt software system so that you can directly link with the hearing aid devices. So this is what the greatest update of Android 10. I hope you like this video, so put a thumbs up, and also tell us about the video and about the Infinix mobiles, whether you are going to buy it or what the feature that you most like in this mobile phone. Tell us in the comment section below. I think you already subscribed to the channel. If not, click on the bell icon so that you won't lose any of our videos by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you won't lose any of our videos. So until then, it's signing off stream. Thank you. Take care.